Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, well, welcome to the channel. My name is Mark Brenner. You guys are returning viewers. What's up, homie? We have a Paragon bed cover to install today, and it's gonna be a hard bed cover to replace my rough country roll-up bed cover right here, which I will say has done me very well over the last about 10 months I've had it on here. Bed cover I'm getting or putting on there today, I cannot speak to that. I'm so sorry. I slept 4 hours last night doing a bunch of research, which I've been doing for days and days now on my potential new car joining the channel very, very soon. It's almost say right now. And it will be just that, a car this time. Sports car. My first sports car, well, my first proper sport. Anyway, more to come on that very, very soon. There's two main types of bed covers, right? You have the soft bed covers, just like the one I have on right here. And then you have hard bed covers as well. And within those two types of bed covers, you have different types of those types of bed covers, mainly the way they kind of get out of the way or fold up or roll up. Sometimes a canister inside of the bed that rolls into that, which is very convenient, but then you lose a good portion of the inside of your bed with that right there. The one I'm putting on today is a little bit unique from what I've ever seen before, so I'm very, very excited to throw it on there and see how it looks for one, and just the ease of how it is to use. Let's go back down to the house and pull this bed cover off right here, bust open the packaging on the Paragon bed cover, throw it on and see how it works. Let's get to it. Bed cover, and then here are the rails. So came with a box here that says install kit and manual. We don't normally need that, but in this case it might be wise. We have the instruction book right here, which we'll definitely utilize. And it looks like it's vehicle specific too, which is awesome because a lot of instruction manuals are very generic. Also, check this out, 100-day test drive. Our goal is your 100% satisfaction. It's that simple. That's also pretty cool right there. I'm assuming this is gonna be the first step right here. And then go on from there, which is really cool how they thought of the people like that. Pretty cool, appreciate you guys, Paragon. Just like I thought, where it says start here is the first step, so that's pretty cool right there. So we'll cut that open and follow step number one. So I have the T-nuts there, 2 on each side, 2 over there and 2 over there, total of 4 in the bed rails. And I gotta say, dude, these instructions are super, super good. Very, very easy to follow along with. Everything's nicely spelled out. You have images of every step, and even the hardware has images as well, and they're all labeled. So it makes it very easy to follow along with. And if that's not good enough, you have a QR code here on every single step that you can scan that pulls a video up of them doing that exact step on the same truck as well. So it couldn't get any easier than that. check this thing out. The reviews were absolutely on point all over the internet. This here is absolutely the bed cover to go with. from Paragon.com. The fitment is unreal. It's so perfect. That aluminum. No, I know aluminum. I know. I can talk today at least. But yeah, the aluminum top looks absolutely amazing. I think it looks so much better than the vinyl top. Nothing wrong with the vinyl top, but if it fits your budget and your needs, which is essentially just going to be keeping all of the environment out of the bed of your truck, the dirt and debris and rain, stuff like that, you know, the bed covers that are vinyl do just fine for stuff like that. But if you want to, or at least in my opinion, enhance the appearance of it, I mean, come on, you guys have to agree with me. That looks way sleeker than a vinyl top, that's for sure. It says Paragon there on the side. That's like Gucci right there for you. That's how you flex. So let them all know you have the Paragon bed cover. But anyways, yeah. So it's a double locking system. There are 2 points in which it locks right there. Now it's released, and then check this out. Slides right open. Can't say I've ever seen a bed cover fold up like this before, that goes into the bed like this. Rails stay, and all of this comes right out. So you can actually remove just the cover itself and leave the rails in 30 seconds or less. So we'll try that out momentarily after we go to the wash down the street here and give it a pressure wash test, which is impeccable timing because the truck is absolutely filthy, covered in pollen. I didn't drive this truck for about 4 days recently. I've been so busy shopping for a new car. More to come on that very soon. But anyway, yeah, we have the strap right here, and the sucker right here closes up with ease. And then once you get to that point right there, throw the strap up in there and then pull these guys. You'll see it kind of fully close up top there. And just like that, dude. Good to go. And we back. See how much water came through. Now keep in mind too, before we look, it's a pressure washer, right? So it's coming through like very fast and powerful. So, you know, a rain or anything like that's not going to come through the same way. Just keep that in mind. And let's open this thing up and scope her out. Pressure washer, obviously we'll get a little more water in. So we got some water in the bed here. But a very reasonable amount considering it's a pressure washer. So not terrible. But anyways, now I'm curious, how easy is it really to pull off the cover itself and remove it in under 30 seconds, is what they say. So we're gonna put that to the test real quick. I have one hand because I have no tripod with me, so there's that. But anyways, there's a latch right there. Press that towards the bedside. Release that guy right there. And then from here, I think we just kind of twist it a little bit, right? Yeah, like that. And then it comes off the rail like so. Now keep in mind too, I am one-handed, so this might take a little longer for me, but yeah, just like that. I think we're, nope. There we go. Just like that. Easy does it. Boom. Dude, what? That's too cool. That was super easy. One-handed and came off in like 10 seconds. That was super easy. So pretty simple. There is a little bit of bed space taken from the rails here. I'd guess maybe, I don't know, what, 2 inches into the bed. So it does make it a little bit more narrow with the rail still being here, but we have full bed access from the bulkhead there to the tailgate. So it's pretty cool right there. Just like that, pretty simple. Right, so now I'm gonna throw it back on the rails. Bam. Very satisfying click. And just like that, pull that sucker closed. And that right there is pretty much going to be a wrap for today's video. But one more thing, I've been super busy on the back end searching for the right deal on the next car. And it's been nearly impossible to find one for the one that I want for anything under what's considered insane over MSRP. So I've been doing a lot of work in the back end, going to dealerships, talking numbers. I've been super busy with that, but we're getting very close to locking in a decent deal that I'm okay with, and hopefully you guys like the car when it does hit the channel. This to me is a very big deal because I've never spent this much money on a single vehicle ever, and I still own the Tundra and I own the Wrangler as well, and I've never had this much car payment like as one vehicle, yet alone stacking it on top of two more. So yeah, pretty big deal to me, and hopefully you guys like the car when it comes. Drop a comment down below on what you might think it is. Anyways, as far as the Paragon bed cover goes here, dude, I am super happy with it. Has my thumbs up, 110%, down to the quality, the fitment's perfect, and it looks awesome as well. We finally have a hard bed cover, dude. I'm super excited about that right there. This here's gonna offer us, obviously, way better look, right? But enhanced security as well, because, well, it's aluminum, right? Aluminum. You can't use a knife to cut through aluminum. So that being said, we do have a enhanced level of security now as well to protect my bed from things that I don't keep in there, so don't even try. But if you do, then you're better off with aluminum bed cover than vinyl. So anyways, that's pretty much all I have for you guys for right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hopefully, I'm just saying, hopefully we have a new car by the next video. I'm talking about a new one, brand new sports car. See you guys soon. Till then, peace.